All right, folks, right here we have a New Holland 258 Jack and Hitch Hay Rake. This is a really nice one as far as the condition on this one. A lot of factory paint left. This one does have the rubber type teeth on it. We did go through this rake. We put, I think, a couple new bearings. You can see that one right there's got a new bearing on it. Really nice shape. Ground drive tires. They got a little bit of cracking on them, but you know, they'll work out really well. We're gonna have this one right here at Batafar Machinery on our lot for sale. Feel free to give us a call with any questions you may have, or check out our website, Batafar Machinery, for all the other hay production tooling that we have in stock.